Hello guys, this is Sniper Aaron. I accidentally overslept today, so I only played 2 games. The terrain of the site has a lot of wood, and this game mode has to grab the flag. Me and the other 5 teammates in the defending side, another 8 players in the attack side. So we are 6 players against other 8 players. It's very interesting that we have a tower to represent as the flag. If the hostile team get a tower, this game will end. And this is my first time to using uncensored file style. I hope you will like my gameplay video. If you like my video, please to press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you can enjoy and like it.
结束。